Those Craft That Community. I'm back. So the other day I was asked to do a sunflower coaster. So I've actually been saving some sunflowers for this occasion. And I have this one to put in there, so I am ready. What I'm gonna do is I have a couple of silicone things that I need to brush off here. But what I'm gonna do is before I put them in there, I am going to adjust this so that it's gonna open up more and look more vibrant and fresh. So I'm so ready for this video. I've been saving this sunflower. I got a couple more, maybe one this size, and the other ones are bigger than that. So let me grab that for you. Isn't this so deliciously huge? That is so gorgeous. So what I do with these is I use them in my resin trays, but they're so big for the coaster, so I'm gonna save these. But I only got like one more that's gonna actually work in there. But let's head over. Okay, so she asked for little hints of gold, so I'm gonna put in gold leaf flakes and pour in my base. I'm not gonna fill this up because I want to have some control over the petals at this time. So I'm gonna come back about every hour to push down the petals, and then I'm gonna let it cure for about 3 hours before I pour my second base on. So here I'm trying to strategically take off the back, because if the resin didn't seep into the middle part will come off. So I'm just trying to kind of scrape off the back and then pour in some more resin so the middle part can cure some before I continue to sand it down some more. Because as you see, it looks dry in the middle. So I'm going to pour another base of resin on there. So now I'm going to demold because I want to sand down the back some more and get the back more flattened. And then pour on my last base of resin. As you see, it has fully gotten everything on the inside. Then I'm just spraying a couple of alcohol spritz to get rid of more bubbles. And there you have it, my loves. Thanks so much for watching. Isn't she lovely? It's so lovely. Perfect. Am I perfect? Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.